Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Backblaze B2 for VPS backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To start registering with Backblaze B2 for VPS backups, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Backblaze B2 website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required fields in the registration form. Provide your first name, last name, and valid email address. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Backblaze B2 website. Log in using your registered email address and password. After logging in, navigate to the B2 Cloud Storage dashboard. Click on the Buckets option to create a new bucket for your backups. Enter a unique name for your bucket and select your preferred region. Choose the visibility setting for your bucket, either public or private. Click on the Create Bucket button to finalize the process. Your bucket is now ready for use. Next, you will need to generate application keys for your VPS backups. Go to that App Keys section from the dashboard menu. Click on Add a new application key. Give your key a descriptive name for easy. Set the permissions for the key based on your backup needs. Once you've made your selections, click on the Create Application Key button. Make sure to securely store the access key ID and application key. These keys will be necessary for configuring backups on your VPS. Now, log in to your VPS server. Install any required backup software that supports Backblaze B2. Follow the software's setup instructions to configure it for Backblaze B2. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.